if you want this, you need to clean this. Okay, what if I told you that doing regular maintenance on your chicken coop will give you healthy eggs, in addition to proper nutrition? So today is maintenance day here at the chicken coop. Again, this is a temporary chicken coop. We are going to build a big chicken coop in the spring. So, but for now, I'll show you what we do here to clean our chicken coop. So I got this tool right here. Okay, all the chickens are right over there. Got my wheelbarrow. I'm gonna come back here. And this chicken coop right here was made out of scrap wood. I think he did a really good job putting the gate right here, so easy access to come clean the chicken coop. So you can see there's plenty enough space for 6 chickens, but we want to have more than 6. And it looks like we got some eggs right now. So this is a combination of hay and shavings. When it was cold, I put 1 inch of hay and some shavings, but it looks like it's flat now and it's just full of chicken droppings. So it's time to clean. We got some spider webs going on. This is why we gotta do this at least once a month, if not more. So let's get started. So here's what I do. I got this wheelbarrow. Just put it in front of the door. Put this backhoe right here, and I'll start using a shovel. And I try to get most of it. Oh, that's heavy. Now that you got a little bit left, this is what I'm gonna do. I use this tool right here. Bring everything forward. At least I get most of it. This is when you use gloves. And we fill this in. There we go. The inside is not 100% clean. Now we gotta clean the beds, the nesting beds. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the wheelbarrow to the other side. These are the nesting beds. These right here, it's like fake hay. They're okay. I mean, they work, but in time they'll start stinking, smelling really bad if you don't keep them washed. So I just decided to use regular hay. Pretty easy access. So right now I have 3 eggs. 3 eggs. And this egg marked with the little red star, this is a fake egg. This is supposed to stimulate the chickens to come and lay eggs. I don't know if that works because most of the time the chickens kick them out of their nest. So, and this is a fake egg. This is a fake egg and fake egg. So I got 4 fake eggs, 3 real eggs. So I've been getting 3 eggs a day. Yesterday I got 5. Tomorrow I'll probably get another 3. So not a bad deal. So we gotta clean this out. They like sleeping in here. There's a lot of droppings right there, and if you don't clean this out, this will get infested with little small bugs or ants. Not good for the chickens. But sometimes they break the eggs right here. They broke 2 eggs on this nesting bed, and it started smelling really bad. So another reason why you gotta clean these things. We're gonna get the hay out and replace it with new. And this one's really dirty. There's a lot of dirt. Looks like the wood is damp. Clean it as much as you can. Now, I'm going to do something that I've never done before. I'm just going to try something new to see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna bring a leaf blower and blow into the chicken coop to get rid of all those extra particles, extra dirt, just to be 100% clean. And later, I'm going to replace the hay, the shavings, and so they can have a fresh bed to sleep on tonight. Okay, remember what I said? I'm going to use a leaf blower. Maybe this is a little bit of overkill. This is a still industrial grade leaf blower, so I'm going to keep it at low power. Okay, here we go. That was pretty good. I think I got a lot of the dirt, spider webs out of here. So, good method. Okay, so now that chicken coop looks like almost 99.9% clean. So it's still gonna be cold here in Texas. Next week it's gonna go back down to the 30s, I believe. Yeah, that's cold for Texas. So I'm gonna try to make it warm. I'm gonna go ahead and put in another layer of hay and then shavings, so they can stay warm. Here, yeah, pretty good. So, the reason I'm doing this, I got some gaps right here between the floorboards. A lot of cold air comes through there, so this will help them block a lot of that air. Okay, it's good. Okay, now we're gonna put some shavings down. These are just premium pine shavings, really cheap. I think this bag was like $10. So I'm gonna use this whole bag. I've had this bag for a while. Just cover the top layer of the hay since it's gonna go flat anyways. And spread it around. There we go. A little bit more. In the corners. Oh, well, still got some leftovers. Yeah, that should keep them warm. Okay, so now we have to put something in our nesting beds, nesting boxes, so they can lay the eggs in. So we're going to use straw. Usually I have hay, but we're gonna use straw. They love this. And these are hard to come by. They only come around during the fall, Walmart or Hobby Lobby. So if you need to buy these, I would suggest you get everything you can, because you're gonna need these throughout the year. So we're gonna put some of this in there. It's good.
Right.
Okay, so we got the nesting beds clean, the sleeping area clean, everything's clean. Looks good, but there's some things we still gotta do. We're gonna close this. All right, so we do have some extra hay. We're gonna put it on the ground so they don't get bored and they can scratch. When I throw some scratch on the ground, you just keep them entertained, keep them happy. That's what chickens do. We're just gonna spread it around. And it keeps the mud under control. Whoa. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so remember what I said in the beginning, about nutrition and if you want healthy eggs. So, well, I got some worms right here. High protein, chickens love them. So, and it keeps them busy as well. So, I give them a cup once a day, give them clean water, keep them in a clean environment, and they will give you eggs, healthy eggs. So, see how much they love them. There we go. Last thing when you clean the chicken coop, what do we do with the droppings? Oh, I just broke an egg. Well, I'm just gonna throw it back in the chicken coop because they eat eggs and they eat eggshells. So there you go. As you can see, they're eating the eggs and the eggshell. Looks like I'm missing one egg. Oh, there it is. Okay. What do we do with the excess droppings? So we're starting to, well, I started a compost pile a few months ago, and it's starting to turn to dirt at this point. Very rich, so I'm going to continue to add to it. This will be mixed with soil or other compost to grow plants, fruit, whatever. So if you don't have a compost pile, you can use this excess droppings and shavings and hay to get your compost pile going. And there we go. I'm gonna break it up a little bit. And that's it. So you get the benefit of having healthy chickens, healthy eggs, and a compost pile every time you clean your chicken coop. So let me know what you think. Catch you on the next one.